Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be unboxing some mica powders. I'll be using those for nail art. It's a 36-piece set. It has 30 different mica powders. It's non-toxic, irritant free. That's how they sent me the box. Sorry about that. It's a brand from Amazon. They're natural. It has, like I said, 30 colors. It has 3 color gold foil flakes and 3 color laser mixed glitters. You can use it for processing soap, bath bombs, lip gloss, nail polish, eyeshadows, slime, candles, wax melts, epoxy resin. And I've seen on YouTube where they can use it. You can use it for nail art. It also comes with this little plastic pair of tweezers. I guess that's for the gold flake. It comes with some plastic gloves. It comes with an applicator with a brush on one end and a sponge applicator on the other end. And it comes with these 2 plastic spoons for the mica powder. Each one is 5 grams. And this one is pink. And I'll open it to show you the consistency of it, the powder. Looks like pigment powders. This is the blue one. Yellow. Looks like a yellow green in the video, but it's actually more of a true yellow. I believe these were, I want to say, £15.99 on Amazon. I like that blackish green one and this purple one. I'm not a big fan of orange, but I do like this orange. Like, again, the video's not picking up the true color, but it's a pumpkin orange. You use some of these colors for maybe a fall, autumn nail art. The browns and golds and yellows and oranges. That's a pretty green. It's like an apple green. Brownish red. The rose red, that's pretty. Rose gold. Violet. When I was looking at Amazon for these mica powders, some of the companies, some of them had bad reviews because someone was saying that they were sent like 6 little pots of the same mica powder, but this one got good reviews, and as you can see, it has a great selection of different colors. There's not one repeat, and the greens are different, the pinks are different, you can tell. I like that aquamarine, that's very pretty. Blue green. And sky blue. And silk blue. That's pretty. And silk purple. Bronze. And silver. And the wine red. It's very pretty. Christmassy red. I like this one, light pink. If you know me, you know I love pink. And tender yellow. That's more of a lemon yellow. The camera's not picking up good. It's like a lemon. And I like these two, the iridescent purple, and the next will be iridescent blue, I believe. You can't really tell, but off camera you can see the iridescence in it. Yeah, blue. And these are the gold foil flakes in gold. And there is an awful lot of gold flakes in there. That's the rose gold flakes. And the silver. And then you have a wine red laser mixed glitter. That's very pretty. And again, if you know me, you know I love glitter. I always try to put glitter into my sets. Green gold. I love it. It turns green to yellow to gold to red. It's really pretty, autumn-like. And the last one is the light blue, and that's very pretty too. It's got like blues to green, like a mermaid type glitter. It'd go perfect with that aquamarine mica powder. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. I want to thank you for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. And if you can also please like and leave a comment, I really appreciate it. It does help me a lot. See you next video. Bye.